show you how to put a juicer together. You put this first piece on, and you put this second piece on, and then you put this third piece on, and then you get this. You put in the holes, and you turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it tight as you can. And then you put this on, and then you put the last on. Wait. You turn it like this, and then you put the last piece on.
Now I'm going to plug it up, but why would I be plugging it up?
Because you need to get all the water out.
You are so smart. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. No problem. Bye-bye.